And good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who underwent the cervical Deuk laser disc repair for herniated discs in his neck at C5, C6, C7. You can see in the video, we're in there with the laser cleaning out the herniations, and he had about 35 herniations in his disc that came out through the tube, released by the laser. Now, why did you come to Deuk Spine Institute? What kind of problems were you having with your neck?
Really, anytime I turned my neck to the left or looked straight up, or turned my head to the left or looked straight up, I was having excruciating pain, originally going down my arm and then pins and needles.
So you had a pinched nerve in your neck?
Yes, basically, yes.
Yeah, and we call that cervical radiculopathy. Do you still have that pain today?
No.
Gone?
Not at all. Gone.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you're still nervous about turning your head.
Still nervous about turning my head. Yes.
We call that guarding.
Right.
And it's going to take you a while to realize you can turn your head. And turning your head won't reherniate. You know, the reherniations come from snapping forward only.
Okay, good. That's good to know.
So how long did you have the pain from the neck down into your left arm?
Honestly, about 10 months.
10 months.
Yeah, it just wasn't going away.
Was there an accident that happened?
No, I have no idea. It's probably past things happened to me in the past in the military and such, but it just aggravated one day. This had been ongoing for decades. Occasionally something would happen, but this time, and it would usually go away within a month, but this time it's stayed and got worse.
So there you have it. People who injure their discs, they end up having episodes of pain and symptoms that come and go. That's the first phase where it's intermittent. And then you get to a phase later on where it just comes and it never goes away. It's constant. And that's been going on for you for the last 10 months. But prior to that, decades you had intermittent symptoms.
Yeah.
So I think it's good to get it fixed while you're in the intermittent phase. Then you don't have to worry about the permanent phase.
Yeah, I wish I had now.
But you didn't know, and it's
right.
fine. How do you feel today?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That I can actually turn my head to the left again and look up like I did in the office in here with my wife just now. So, very exciting.
Good. How did this pain affect your life?
It affected me in a big way because I'm still working. So very difficult to work, being that I'm out on sites all the time, walking manufacturing facilities and things of that nature with customers. And so I couldn't look up, I couldn't turn to the left. There were a lot of things I could not do without being in agony. So I was having to basically cover it all up and be miserable and sit in the car after every meeting and wonder how I was going to make it through the day.
How did it affect life at home?
Same. Life at home, the same. I couldn't enjoy my time at home. My wife and I loved to entertain and loved to be out with people. Everything came to kind of a screeching halt because I was recovering from my work weeks. And so it was bad altogether.
Now you're doing fantastic. So anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Highly recommend Dr. Deuk. Amazing from beginning to end. Had nothing but wonderful treatment. Very happy. Thrilled that we found you. Much appreciative of it. Highly recommend you guys. And I will be giving you the 5 stars on the Google.
Oh, thank you so much. Hey, it's a pleasure. And you're a local guy, so it's nice to have some local people come in and get treated as well. We have so many people from all over the world now, but it's good to see local people.
Glad to be here.
All right, you take care.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's get you out of here.